Hello student, this is Rajiv and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss the question that based on area of path. In the last video, we have discussed the area of path and its concept. And I hope that you understood about this. So, let us start to solve the problem which based on such concept. Before starting to solve the question, first of all, let us revise about both these conditions. Okay, so the condition was the first is area of path around the park around the park. So this was the first, and the second was area of path passes through median of length and breadth. Length and breadth of path. So these are the two conditions for which we have to find out the area of the path. For this, we have to find area of path around the park is equal to area of park including path minus area of the park. So this formula will be useful in order to find out the area of path around the park. And for this, we have to find the area of the both sum of area of both path minus area of common region. So these are the two concepts for which we shall discuss the question. So now let us start the question and try to solve them one by one. So the here question is, the first question is a rectangular path of length 7 meters of length 70 meters and breadth 48 meters. A path of uniform width, uniform width around it and 4 meters wide. Then find area of path. Then find area of path. So this is the question, and we have to find out its solution. So now let us see what does the question say. The question says that there is a rectangular path of length 70 meter and width 48 meter. There is a path around the rectangular path of 4 meter wide. So we have to find out the area of path. Okay. So in order to find out, first of all let us draw the figure. This is a rectangle. Okay. This is the rectangle and the length is 70 meter and the width is 48 meter. There is a path outside and around the path is, and this will be like this. The width of the path will be 4 meter. 4 meter. So we have to find the area of the path. In order to find the area of the path, we have to find out the dimension of the outer rectangle in order to find the area of path. So here we find out the dimension. Here, as we know that the width of the path is 4 meter, therefore the length will be 2 times of the width of the path and the length of the path. So here we write length of path including path will be 2x plus L, and this will be 2 into 4 plus 17, and this will be 8 plus 17 is equal to 78. Therefore, the length of the path including path is 78 meter. Similarly, width of path including path, and this will be equal to 2 into 4 plus 48, and this is equal to 56. So the width of the path including path is 56 meter. So I hope the length and width is clear, and the length and width of the inner rectangle is already given. Okay, that is L equal to 70 and B equal to 48 meter. Now we have to find out the area of the path including path. So here we find out area of path including path, and this is equal to L into B. We can write here including path. No need to write because they will be written, and this will be 78 multiplied by 56. 78 multiplied by 56, because the dimension of the path including path is 78 and 56. Now find out the product. So here we find out the product of 78 and 56. So multiply 78 by 56. 6 8 are 48, carry 4, 6 7 are 42, 42 and 46, 5 8 are 40 and 5 7 are 35. 8, 6, 3, 4. So we get 4368 is equal to 4368 meter square. So this is the area of the path including path is 4368 square meter. Now find out the area of the rectangular park. Area of park will equal to 70 multiplied by 48, and this will be equal to 7 8 56 and 7 4 28, 3360 meter square, and this is the area of the park without path. This is the area of park without path. Now the both area is clear, and in order to get the area of the path we have to subtract the area of path including path minus area of path without inclusion of path. So we get our result. In order to get the result, we write here now area of path is equal to area of path including path minus area of path. So we get the area of path including path is 4368. So we write here 4368 minus 3360. So 3360. And on subtraction we get 8, 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0, and 4 minus 1 meter square. So 1008 meter square is the area of path. Area of path. So this is the area of path. This is the area of path. So I hope the area of path is clear to everyone. Just suppose that there is a question is added in this problem. If the rate of making the lane, if the rate of making lane is 12 rupees per meter square, if rate is 12 rupees, rate is 12 rupees per meter square, then find the total cost of making the lane around the park on this path. Okay, so in this way, if we want to find out the total cost, we multiply 1008 by 12, we get the result. So the total cost will be, so in order to get the total cost, we multiply it by 12. So 12 is the 96, carry 9, 12, 0, 0, 2, 1. This is the total cost of making the lane at the rate of 12 rupees per meter square. So I hope the solution is clear. Now let us see the solution once again. In order to get the area of the path, first of all we have to find out the dimension of the path including the path. So the length of the path including path is 2x plus l, which we have studied earlier. So on putting the value of here, that is the width of the path, that is 4. So 2 multiplied by 4 plus 70, which give us 78 meter, which is the length of the path including path. Similarly, we get the breadth. The breadth of the path, 2 multiplied by 4 plus 48, that is 8 plus 48 is equal to 56 meter, which is the breadth of the path, and the length of the path without path and breadth of the path without path is given already. So here find out the area of the path with path is 4360 and the area of the path is 3360. In order to get the area of the path, we subtract the area of path including path minus area of path, which give as 1008 meter square. So 1008 meter square is the correct answer, and if the rate is given, then we can already easily find out the total cost of making the lane. So I hope the solution is clear to everyone. if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. So we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.